What is up, YouTube? Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and if you are, I'd really appreciate it if you went down and smashed that like button. Make my day a little bit better, because it truly does help out a small channel like mine on YouTube. With that being said, kind of wanted to do a quick reaction in the middle of the day to what the stock market is doing today. Trying to get back into making videos on a more regular basis. Now with that being said, I'm not going to be making them every day, but hopefully on a more regular basis, so that way you guys have some content to watch if you do enjoy this kind of content. So if you didn't know, the stock market yesterday dropped. I made a video on it, so go check that out. Again, if you like both of these videos, make sure you smash the subscribe button, so you are aware of whenever I post more videos on the channel. With that being said, let's get into the video. So as you guys can see, we have a lot of green on the screen. Today is basically the rebound off of yesterday's sell-off, essentially. And I wanted to point out really that, like I said yesterday, don't freak out when there's a sell-off. There's normally going to be a rebound of some sort down the road. Obviously, I didn't expect it to be the next day. As you can see, we have a lot of companies that are green today. All the ones that I'm watching are green, and you're seeing a lot from 3% all the way up to 5-6%. Actually, I don't see any 6% anymore, but there was a couple that hit 6% a little bit earlier. Again, this is in the middle of the day, so things can always change by the end of the day, but I did want to get a little reaction into what the market is doing today. The big reason why the stock market has come back a little bit and why you're seeing so much green is because Trump has changed his mood to kind of willing to approve some type of stimulus check, and it does seem like that's something that's going to be happening here in the near future of some capacity. So that's why you're seeing the market green where you saw the market red yesterday. A couple stocks that I wanted to talk about. Let's just look at these companies that are up greater than 5% at the time of me making this video. So when it comes to Gap, we're looking at about a $7 billion company. And why are they going to be more valuable in the future? And I really do believe with them adding Kanye West, you can say what you want about Kanye West, but he does know how to market and sell products. I always kind of look for those people that are, the spearhead of, innovation, or, people that are, like proven to, think outside the box and really want to attack a problem in unique situations or unique ways. So that's why when Gap went out and they when the Gap went out and got Kanye West to become part of their company, it really got me excited about the company. Next company is JetBlue. JetBlue got a bump due to most of the travel stocks got a bump, and that's basically, it's just the sector. They're just so beaten down. People are betting on the rebound. JetBlue is one of those companies that I was very interested in before the whole COVID situation happened, and I was thinking about starting a position then. Good thing I didn't, because since then it's dropped significantly. I'm really just waiting for travel to get closer to returning to normal, because there's just a lot that's unknown right now, but I do like JetBlue long term, as long as they can withstand this COVID period. I just want to see what happens. I guess I'm just waiting when it comes to JetBlue. Next one is Overstock. So if you guys followed me at all on my Instagram, I was talking about Overstock for a long time on Instagram, and my initial entry point was somewhere in June. It was like $18, and I was lucky enough to ride this whole wave up all the way to, I didn't sell at 120. I sold at 110, 115, and I did buy back in down at 167, and I sold back out at 174ish. and I'm just kind of waiting to see what happens in the online retail space. You do always have that fear of Amazon. You know, you can want to believe the growth story all you want, but Amazon does have so many levers to pull that these other online retailers really do have to prove themselves. So I did make a video on Overstock. If you guys are interested in my breakdown of Overstock at the time, I'll put that link up in the corner so you can click on that. I guess I just wanted to see what your guys' reactions were to everything that's happening in the market. You know, take your guys' temperature. Do you think that the stock market's going to go down in the near future, or are you a more bullish person? You think it's going to go up? My personal take is from where we are right now. Obviously, I'm not looking at any like fundamentals, or I'm not looking at the charts or anything like that. I just have this feeling that we're going to have this slow climb, and then election day is going to cause a lot of it probably be a little bit before election day. You'll see probably a drop. With that all being said, hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, make sure you smash that like button. If you want to see more content like that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any advice or any stocks that you want me to look at, I will put them on my viewer list. It's currently empty. Waiting for one of you guys to put your stock in the comments so I can give a reaction to that. Yeah, and if you're interested in what I own, these are the 3 stocks that I currently own, all up on the day, not anything above 5%, like the stocks that I talked about today, but we're still in the green, and that's where we like to be. Yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Love you guys. Peace.